Discovery, where friendships are formed and the affinity between two very different species is fully realized. Come with us now as we explore the ties that bind us and take an up-close look at one of the most remarkable mammals on the planet, the Pacific bottlenose dolphin.
That we hope you'll gain a greater appreciation and understanding of the affinity between us and the world's most beloved marine mammals. Now we share this planet with some amazing species that live both above and below the water's surface. Now the affinity that we share with the dolphin is one that we will cherish always. The time spent together is so special to us, and the friendships formed, well, they'll last forever. Every day the ocean inspires us to dive deeper, venture further and learn more. The Seaworld Research and Rescue Foundation is dedicated to educating both current and future generations on how important protecting the marine environment is. And by everyone coming out here today, you're supporting their research and rescue for those beautiful animals out in the wild. that has sparked imagination for so long? Is it the shared curiosity for seeking out the unknown, or is it the unspoken bond that occurs if we're lucky enough to meet like this? Here in Australia, we are lucky enough to have two species of dolphin found nowhere else in the world. The Australian humpback dolphin and the snubfin dolphin. Now, sadly due to things like illegal feeding and ocean pollution, both of these species are facing extinction. But there's still hope if we can all work together. So we truly appreciate these animals if we're not willing to protect them and their ocean home. Now the dolphin is called the planet home for more than 10 million years.